black beans with a little bit of sweetness mixed with heat. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are cooking a quick 30-minute dish, our sweet and spicy black beans. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Sliced smoked sausage. Over medium heat, spray a pot with nonstick spray and coat it with olive oil. Place smoked sausage into the pot. Stir and cook 4 minutes. Remove sausage from the pot. Add onions. Stir and cook 3 minutes. Also add a little water to scrape the drippings from the bottom of the pot. Chop garlic. It's a good idea to wear gloves when preparing semi-hot to hot peppers. Mince serrano or jalapeno pepper. If you like, remove the seeds. Stir garlic and minced peppers into the pot. Stir and cook 3 minutes. If you are enjoying this recipe, like and share it. Check out our channel for other recipes using beans. If you find our recipes tasty, subscribe below and click on notifications to know when we release new videos. Grab 2 cans of black beans. Drain and rinse 1 can of them. Leave the other can as is. Pour beans into the pot. Open diced tomatoes. Pour them into the pot too. Thoroughly combine. Gather brown sugar and honey. Add them to the pot. Along with salt, garlic powder, and ground ginger. Stir until fully combined. Pour in adobo sauce and roughly chopped cilantro. Some for cooking and some for garnish. Add cilantro to the pot and combine. What quick bean recipes do you enjoy making? Comment below to let us know. Bring to a boil, then simmer and cook 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, combine and place sausage back into the pot. Combine and cook 10 minutes. Combine one final time. And remove from heat. If you have enjoyed this bean recipe, like and share it. Also, subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. Serve beans with rice. Garnish with cilantro. And serve. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.